Are you sweeping and dusting more than you think is normal? Has your utility bill gradually climbed higher over the last few months? Are you sneezing and stuffy and experiencing other allergy symptoms in your home? Is your home just not cooling off like it should, even when running the AC? It might be time for an air duct cleaning. Our air duct cleaning that adheres to the standards of the National Air Duct Cleaners Association by providing a complete cleaning of your home's HVAC system that loosens and removes contaminants. Our push and pull process prevents the contaminants from entering your living space and causing you and your loved ones breathing and other health problems. It takes about 4 to 6 hours, and when complete, the air in your home will be noticeably cleaner. A thorough air duct cleaning is one of the best investments you can make in your home. It provides the removal of harmful contaminants, reduction of allergens and irritants, elimination of dust, pet dander, and mold, relief from airborne particles that are inhaled and affect your health, comfort, and well-being, improves energy efficiency. If you or any of the people or pets living in your home suffer from allergies, you will notice substantial improvement after an air duct cleaning. To learn more or to schedule an estimate call us